Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about short supply. Short supply is used in mainly during when the ship is in dry dock. So generator, our main engine, all oxygens will be turned off. So for mainly our generators have to be stopped for some overhauling purpose and all. So nowadays, due to pollution concern and all, many ports are supplying shore connection so that emission rate can be controlled in their ports. So here we have to mention, in the previous video I mentioned about some basic things we need to know about the shore connection supply or cold ironing and all or alternate marine power. But here we need, in this video we are discussing more about shore connection both. Why? What are the steps we need to follow during the shore connection or shore supply or alternative marine power during that we are taking from port and all. Hence, a shore connection must be provided to connect the shore supply to the ship, because shore connection box is mainly found in the emergency generator of our ship or mainly in the emergency generator room. This shore connection box is mainly found in the, so to the emergency connection box which is there in the emergency generator room, there we will connect the shore connection box. Here is a basic diagram of a shore connection or shore supply connection that we are doing on board ship. Here we can see emergency switchboard or main switchboard, and in between there will be circuit breaker and shore supply will be there. Here the shore connection box contains some basic components that we need to understand. First, there will be data plate, that means voltage frequency of the electrical system that we are connecting with the cable and all, and we need to have circuit breaker and fuse. If there is any short circuit or overload or our current, we need to have the safety to protect the other equipments from getting furthermore damage. And we need to have phase sequence indicator, that or indicator lamp. Here we can see the phase sequence indicator and indicator lamp, the circuit breaker, fuses, all we have seen. Phase sequence indicator and check push and all. In this figure we can understand. And shore supply, when it comes to the shore supply bus bar, when the shore supply we are given to shore supply bus bar, the phase sequence will be checked with the help of the phase sequence indicator. So when shore supply is connected to the bus bar, the phase sequence will be checked by phase sequence indicator. This phase sequence indicator shows whether it is clockwise rotation, it will be okay. If it is anti-clockwise, then shore supply should be stopped because disconnected. And any two phases are interchanged, then we have to check again to see the phase indicator. Again we have to check the phase indicator. When it is again checked and found it is clockwise, then it is okay. Otherwise we need to, so there is some problem with the connection and all. Here once again I will say this, because when we connect the short supply to the bus bar, its phase sequence is checked by the help of phase sequence indicator, and in the phase sequence indicator, if it shows clockwise, then the rotation will be okay. If it is anti-clockwise, then short supply need to be stopped and we need to disconnect it, and we need to check the two phases, and whether after interchanging we need to check again the phase sequence in the phase sequence indicator. Then before starting the shore supply, emergency generator should be put in manual, because then our main generator should be stopped, and in order to avoid once the blackout happens, then automatically the emergency generator will take on load, and only then shore supply should be made on, and interlock should be provided which do not let the shore supply to come on load before the main power is off. You understand? Because interlock should be provided means because only one power source should be come at a time, otherwise both will be cut off at a time. We'll have blackout kind of blackout situation. Before starting the shore supply, we have to ensure that our emergency generator should be put in manual, and once the generator we stop, because emergency generator should not be automatic, we have to put in manual, and once the blackout happen, then the shore supply will be made on. So that's instead of the case of emergency generator, here the shore supply will be giving the power to the ship when we are in this blackout condition. We are doing in the port for having the overhauling purpose or major repairs for the auxiliaries that we are doing from the port.